We are adding some important news.
Now adding news from Paris, France. According to our Bureau Chief, Europe, Chaudhry Wasim Ahmed, Permanent Delegate of Pakistan to UNESCO, Ambassador Mumtaz Zehra Baloch addressed the plenary session of the 2021st session of the Executive Board of UNESCO being held in Paris from 7 to 17 April 2025. In her statement, the ambassador reaffirmed Pakistan's commitment to a stronger and more effective UNESCO to meet today's challenges, emphasized the need for a realistic and sustainable budget to deliver on its strategic priorities in education, science, culture, and communication. Urged strategic rationalization in the structure and work of the organization, enhancing synergies and reducing duplication and overlapping. Called on UNESCO to foster scientific collaboration to address common challenges, promote democratization of scientific progress and innovations, and insulate scientific advancement from artificial barriers and strategic competition. Appreciated the dedication and commitment of the UNESCO staff and underlined the need for transparency and accountability.
For more updates, connect with Saiba News HD.